Hey love, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get your brows like this, like this, like this, like this. So, and these are gonna like stay on the whole entire day. So I'm gonna show you how to get the shape like this and how to get your brows to last the entire day. No smudging, nothing. Like, you're not gonna have one brow by the end of the day, okay? You're gonna have both brows. They're gonna be secured like that bag the whole night. I tell my clients, like, I do my clients' brows and they're like, girl, I can never do this, never. I'm like, you can, sis. Like, I do these myself. It just takes time. So especially if you're a beginner, like, really take your time and play this video while you doing them, and I promise you, you can get them like this. Also, I wanted to wear this fur headband because I'm feeling real fall and winter vibes. Like, it's starting to get cold, sadly, but I'm ready for my fur boots, my fur hats, my fur headbands. So shout out Reese's Marvelous Hats. Go get your fur headband, your fur hat. And she has a lot of cute winter hats, like they're tea. So go check out Reese's Marvelous Hats. This is her website here, and I'll also have her website in my bio below. Don't mind my hair, but before we start, I recommend to get your brows cleaned up because I feel like it makes it the time quicker and easier to define your shape and to understand your shape when it's already shaped. You know what I mean? When your brows is grown out, you can form your shape, but it's just, you kind of have to create one. So it's better if your brows is cleaned up, just so it's easier to define your natural brow shape. All right, let's go to our brows. Hey loves, let's get started. So these are my brows right now. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna brush your brows into the same direction. So now I'm just showing you guys where I need to fill in my brows and how I'm going to fill it in. So I'm just showing you the missing spaces that I need to fill in, just so you guys have an idea before we start filling them in. Just so you see the shape and the shape that I'm looking for. I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Longwear eyeshadow stick in the shade Bark. I just started using this and I love it. Like, I love how it keeps my brows on all day. And I'm going to be using this angle brush. That's the key. The next key, if you're going to do pomades or you're not going to do a pencil, it has to be slanted and defined. And there is slanted brow pencils. Also, if you're not a brow pomade person, whatever's easier for you, but just make sure it's slanted and defined. So I'm just going under my brows first, just forming a defined line. So I'm basically just filling in the shape that's missing. So now for the beginning of your brows, you always want to go in an upwards direction because that's how our brow hairs naturally grow. They grow up in the front. So now let's do what we did to the other brow, to the next brow. Just fill in the space that needs to be filled. So now let's fill in the top. I did cut out a little bit, but it's okay because the other brow, I made sure it was a good camera view. So now, again, I'm filling in the space that needs to be filled. Y'all see it's like a missing piece over there. So I'm just making it arch because I do love a arched brow. Your girl loves the arched brow. I do feel like I made it a little too thick because I've been trying to not make my brows as thick because I'm just not in that era no more. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I just want it natural. I don't want it boxy, too dark, I don't want my brows to take over my face. You know what I mean? So now I'm going to show y'all. Y'all going to see. See, it's a better camera view. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Now I'm just making sure, measuring my brows, making sure my brows is the right shape for my eyes. So you see the beginning of your brow is supposed to connect to the inner corners of your eyes. And then you see the arch. The arch should be almost the middle, but not the middle, exactly directly the middle of your eyes. And you see the tail of your brows should be perfectly aligned with the outer corners of your eyes. So now we're going to clean up our brows, and this is the key to snatching your brows to get that I just got my brows waxed look. Clean up your brows with concealer. So I like to use a shade lighter than my skin tone just to give that lifted, like I said, that lifted I just got my brows waxed, cleaned up look. And of course, I'm using my favorite e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Caramel. This is so satisfying to watch, y'all. Like, this is my favorite part, like cleaning up the brows with concealer, or just brows in general. For me, is so satisfying. Like, just watching everything come together and it just looks like perfection. And y'all, I know, like, I'm taking forever with this part, but like, I'm so picky. Like, I really like them to look like twins, even though it's not realistic, but it's realistic, okay? So I'm gonna try and make these look like twins. So now I'm gonna be laying the brow hairs with the Got2b gel. I love. Like, this is the key. Like, this is the cherry on the top, okay? Like, this is the key to long-lasting brows, is brow gel. So for me, I love the Got2b, but I know there's others. Some people use edge control, whatever. You can use whatever, but I just feel like Got2b is really that girl. Like, it really holds the brows down, okay? So do whatever you want with that information. Back at it again, cleaning the brows, because I just feel like something was still off, so don't mind me. But see, y'all, it takes time, so really make sure, like, but when you do this, you got time. Like, you got time and patience to really sit down and slay your brows. So now I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. You can use a highlighter. This one's my favorite. Like, this is my go-to. Y'all see that? Bling bling, shine bright. Every time, I don't know why I always do that. Every time I put the highlight on, I start singing like a diamond, But yeah, so that's just the finishing touches, just to give you that lifted brow look. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what's the next video y'all want to see from me. I got some more coming for y'all. So thank you. I'm dead serious. Like, thank y'all so much for all the support and the love. Yeah, I'm blessed. Like, I'm ready for this journey with y'all. But yeah, so don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Bye. Love y'all.